Why does one of the world's most secretive countries scare the entire planet? Imagine a hidden factory deep inside North Korea where the world's most dangerous secrets are forged. Inside, scientists and engineers work on a weapon so powerful it can destroy cities in seconds. Today, we're uncovering the mysterious process behind North Korea's nuclear program, from uranium to a fully armed bomb. 1. The secretive world of North Korea's nuclear program. North Korea's nuclear program is one of the most secretive in the world. The government tightly controls information, allowing very few outsiders to understand what's happening inside. Satellite images and defectors' testimonies are some of the only ways experts know about the country's nuclear activities. But one thing is clear: the program is highly organized, heavily guarded, and extremely dangerous. North Korea's factories and research centers are located in remote mountainous areas, often disguised as normal industrial complexes. They operate under extreme secrecy, with armed guards patrolling the perimeter. These facilities are designed not only to produce nuclear material, but also to test and refine weapons technology. 2. The fuel of a nuclear weapon: uranium and plutonium. At the heart of every nuclear weapon is fissile material, typically highly enriched uranium, HEU, or plutonium. North Korea has focused on both. Plutonium production. Plutonium is produced in nuclear reactors. Inside these reactors, uranium fuel rods are bombarded with neutrons. Over time, this transforms some uranium atoms into plutonium. After a specific period, these rods are removed and carefully processed in special facilities. Uranium enrichment. Uranium naturally contains only about 0.7% of the fissile isotope uranium-235. To use it in a bomb, it must be enriched to over 90%. North Korea uses gas centrifuges, spinning machines that separate uranium isotopes based on weight. This process is slow, requires precision, and is extremely dangerous. These materials are the lifeblood of nuclear weapons. Handling them requires advanced technology and highly trained personnel. Even a small mistake can lead to catastrophic accidents or radiation leaks. 3. The hidden factories and facilities. North Korea operates several secret sites. The Yongbyon Nuclear Scientific Research Center is the most famous. It houses a nuclear reactor, uranium enrichment facilities, and plutonium reprocessing plants. Inside these factories, workers handle radioactive materials while following highly classified procedures. Ventilation systems, lead shielding, and remote handling equipment are used to protect them. Yet, life in these factories is perilous. Reports from defectors suggest that accidents, radiation exposure, and harsh working conditions are common. The secrecy is so tight that even high-ranking officials must pass rigorous loyalty tests. Cameras, armed guards, and checkpoints ensure that no information leaks. Every step of production is monitored, from uranium mining to the assembly of the final weapon. 4. From material to weapon, assembly process. Creating fissile material is only the first step. Turning it into a functional bomb is a completely different challenge. This involves physics, engineering, and precision. 1. Designing the core. The core, or pit, contains plutonium, or highly enriched uranium. It must be perfectly shaped to achieve a chain reaction. Any imperfections can cause the bomb to fail. 2. Explosives and detonation. Surrounding the core are high explosive lenses. These explosives must detonate simultaneously to compress the core evenly. This requires exact timing and advanced engineering knowledge. 3. Weapon assembly. Once the core and explosives are ready, they are assembled with casings, wiring, and safety mechanisms. This final step transforms raw nuclear material into a weapon capable of producing massive explosions. North Korea has demonstrated that it can miniaturize some of its bombs to fit onto missiles. This is one of the most concerning developments, as it makes delivery much easier. 5. The role of technology and innovation. North Korea's ability to develop nuclear weapons is not only about having resources, it's about innovation under pressure. With limited access to international markets and technology, the country has reverse-engineered foreign technology and trained a highly skilled workforce in secrecy. For example, their gas centrifuge designs for uranium enrichment are believed to be derived from older Pakistani and Chinese technology. Meanwhile, their plutonium reactor designs are based on Soviet-era models. Despite being isolated, North Korea has proven it can adapt and innovate to achieve its nuclear goals. 6. Testing. Proving the power. Producing a nuclear bomb is only part of the process. Testing is crucial to ensure it works. North Korea has conducted several underground nuclear tests over the past 2 decades. These tests provide vital data on the yield, design efficiency, and reliability of their weapons. Underground tests. These are conducted in secret tunnels dug into mountains. Seismic sensors and global monitoring stations often detect them. By analyzing the results, scientists adjust future designs. Missile integration. A bomb must also survive the forces of launch and flight. North Korea has been working to integrate its bombs into missiles, a step that makes them a global threat. Each successful test signals not just power, but capability to potentially deliver these weapons anywhere. 7. The global implications. North Korea's nuclear program has profound consequences for global security. Each new test raises tensions in East Asia and beyond. The world fears not just accidental use, but also the potential for weapons to fall into the hands of non-state actors. Sanctions, diplomacy, and intelligence efforts aim to slow down or stop these programs. Yet, North Korea has repeatedly shown resilience and ingenuity, maintaining a pace of development that surprises even the most experienced analysts. 8. Life inside the factory, the human cost. While much of the focus is on technology and politics, the human side is often overlooked. Workers in North Korea's nuclear program live under extreme secrecy and pressure. Reports from defectors indicate that they face long hours, strict discipline, and dangerous conditions. Radiation exposure, accidents, and lack of proper safety measures add to the risk. In essence, every weapon carries not only potential destruction, but also the sacrifices and dangers endured by those who build it. 9. Why it matters. The urgency of understanding. Understanding how North Korea makes nuclear weapons is crucial for global security. Knowledge about their processes, facilities, and strategies helps governments, analysts, and international organizations plan responses and prevent escalation. Even if full transparency is impossible, piecing together satellite images, defector testimonies, and technical analysis allows the world to assess risks and anticipate future developments. The better we understand these hidden factories, the better chance we have of preventing disaster. Conclusion. The factories of North Korea are hidden, secretive, and deadly. Inside, every step, from mining uranium to assembling a bomb, is a mix of science, secrecy, and danger. The world watches in tension, knowing that these weapons could change the course of history. By understanding the process, we see not just machines and material, but the terrifying reality of human ingenuity used for destruction. The story of North Korea's nuclear program is a reminder. Knowledge is power, secrecy is dangerous, and the stakes are higher than ever. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit like, share, and subscribe for more updates.